So you want to make money with YouTube without showing your face but unsure where to start? It all begins with choosing the right niche. Sticking to one niche helps your videos drive traffic to each other, boosting growth. Don't worry about picking the wrong niche, there are proven, high-performing niches out there. After thorough research and insights from successful creators, you'll confidently find the best niche by the end of this guide. Let's start with our first Faceless YouTube Channel Ideas. This channel is getting 13 million views per month and earning around $30,000 a month from YouTube without ever showing your face. It might sound like a dream, but it's a reality for a channel focused on extinct animals. They are only using free stock footage and images to make their videos. By choosing this unique Faceless YouTube channel, they've tapped into an endless stream of curiosity, creating highly engaging and evergreen content that keeps viewers coming back for more. The strategy is simple yet effective. They upload just 5 videos a month, spacing them out to maintain consistency without overwhelming themselves. The key is the evergreen nature of their content. Videos about extinct animals remain relevant for years, continuously attracting views and generating revenue long after they're uploaded. And here's the kicker: the channel is only 2 years old. The results speak for themselves, a consistent $30,000 in monthly revenue. With income streams from ads, sponsorships, and possibly affiliate marketing, this channel is proof that Faceless YouTube channel is a legitimate way to build serious wealth. Our second Faceless YouTube channel idea is a Faceless Animal AI channel. This Faceless Cat AI channel is taking off. In less than a month, this Faceless YouTube channel is already a massive success. Starting just 26 days ago, it has garnered an astonishing 2 million views, earning an estimated $5,000. That's an impressive return of 2 to 3 per 1,000 views, showing the power of smart content creation combined with AI tools. So, what's behind this rapid growth? It all comes down to innovation. The channel uses AI-generated thumbnails designed to grab attention instantly. The videos are crafted using a mix of AI visuals and motion software, creating a seamless viewing experience. For narration, they likely rely on AI voices or budget-friendly voice actors. And as for the scripts? They're 80% written by AI, with small edits to give them a human touch. They used animations in their videos, but you can create this type of channel using only images. For example, the channel Cute Cat of Knee is also getting massive views. They rely solely on AI-generated images, no animations at all. Their success comes from a combination of good thumbnails, high-quality images, and engaging stories. You can follow the same approach to start your own Faceless YouTube channel. Our third Faceless YouTube channel idea is a Faceless Technology channel. Caro Show is a popular YouTube channel that specializes in creating engaging videos about technology, science, and innovation. They make faceless YouTube videos where the focus is solely on the content itself. This channel is getting around 3 million views every month and earning around $8,000 per month. In addition, it also earns income from brand sponsorships and affiliate marketing. The channel's content is sourced from various online resources, news articles, and research papers. The videos are then edited and produced using professional video editing software. They use images and YouTube footage to create their content, so editing is very important. To achieve this, you need to learn good editing techniques, or you can hire editors to make your videos. Caro Show was launched in March 2022 and has quickly gained popularity, amassing over 158,000 subscribers and millions of views. The channel's success can be attributed to its consistent production of high-quality content, engaging presentation style, and ability to tap into popular trends and topics. Our fourth Faceless YouTube channel idea is a Faceless Amish Story channel. Is the Faceless Amish Story niche the next big YouTube opportunity? The Faceless Amish Story niche is gaining traction and could soon become the next YouTube trend. Frugal Solutions, launched just 90 days ago, has achieved remarkable results with only 45 videos. It's averaging an impressive 2.5 million views per month and generating about $5,000 in monthly revenue, with a solid RPM of 4. So, what's their secret? The process is surprisingly straightforward and cost-effective. They use AI-generated thumbnails, enhanced with quick edits in Canva, to grab attention. The videos themselves rely heavily on stock footage, which makes up 90% of the content. For narration, they've hired a budget-friendly country-style voice artist, adding authenticity to the stories. The scripts are educational and story-based, crafted with the help of AI tools like Claude or ChatGPT. This niche is still relatively undiscovered, making it a goldmine for creative entrepreneurs. With the right tools and strategy, you too could tap into this potential and build a successful channel earning over $5,000 a month. Our fifth Faceless YouTube channel idea is Elon Musk and Tesla. This YouTube channel earns $10,000 monthly in ad revenue. Ever wondered what makes a YouTube channel a powerhouse of revenue? This one, Focused on Tesla and Elon Musk news, brings in an impressive 10,000 per month. Its success lies in its niche and strategic execution. First, the niche is incredibly popular. Tesla and Elon Musk consistently dominate headlines, keeping the audience hooked. Second, the RPM is exceptionally high, boosting the channel's earnings far beyond average rates. Lastly, the replication potential is significant. With the right approach, creating similar content is both feasible and scalable. The key takeaway? This channel showcases the power of identifying a high-demand niche and consistently delivering content that resonates with viewers. Would you consider launching a Tesla or Elon Musk-focused channel? It's a proven formula for success if you're ready to tap into this high-demand space.